Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day. We're up and alive and busy. Getting going with today. Got up this morning and got my workout in. That felt so good. If you guys want to join in my workout with me, then head over to my workout channel at Body After Baby, or just swipe up on this page and you'll see the link down below. You can join in, girl. There is something there for everybody. If you don't want to jump, it's there. If you don't want to run, it's there. If you have arthritis in your knee, honey child, it's there. Anything you want to do, it's there for you. Yeah, got my workouts in, and whenever I start my day with my workout, that's winnings for me. Winnings. And I'm definitely getting the hang of the 6 o'clock wake up, 6 o'clock working out before before everybody's up and getting everything done. Good morning.
Wagwan.
And I'm here to tell Wagwan affairs.
Wagwan.
What's up? What you up to?
I'm up to going to school.
You're up to going to school? You're gonna have a good day?
Yes.
What else you're gonna be at school today?
I'm going to listen to my teacher.
What else?
I'm going to eat everything I can eat.
What else?
I'm going to be nice to others.
What else?
I'm going to have a nice day.
Very good. And?
And
I don't hear you say anything about your schoolwork.
my schoolwork is good.
You're going to do good?
Yes.
You're not gonna chat in class? When you're not supposed to be talking?
No.
Very good. Alright, tell.
But I forgot something that I need to do at school.
What?
I need to give you a kiss.
You need to give me a kiss.
Give
me a kiss. I love you. Alright. Alright. Look at you. Alright, die. Oh my god. He's a mess. Look at him, like a big old baby. Alright, I have to go pick up your sister.
So your challenge is to carry me. Just get when you read me.
No, you're too heavy. I'm gonna give you gilly. Go finish, find your mask. Put your pouch in your bag before you leave it right there like last week. Anyway, you guys, he's a mess. I am going to go pick up Sarah. Sarah is still sleeping, and get her ready to head out. We're heading out with Tyler right now. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog. What is it I have to tell you today? Be nice. Just be nice. Just be nice. It's that simple. Be nice to somebody. And remember, what people show you on social media is what they want you to see on social media. Okay? Don't. Tyler, stop. Go put your pouch in your bag. Stop one time.
I already did.
Put your pouch in your bag and get your good day. Just be safe. Continue to wear your mask. Love you guys. If it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe right now and catch and keep up with the fam bam.
Leave Sarah and go without Sarah because the papa is awake.
But Papa is heading out too. Papa is going to work. And then when Papa leaves Sarah at home alone, what happened? You want that to happen?
No.
Exactly. Now
But
go
what
and
will
get your good
happen
day.
if she's alone?
You want me and Papa and Sarah to leave you Tyler home alone? Huh? Answer that.
No.
You think that is safe?
No.
You think she can do anything by herself?
No.
Okay, so you think it's okay to leave her alone at home? There you go with your answer. Go and get your goodie for your bag. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna go get my girl. See you guys, and you'll see her in a bit. Or you guys wanna see her now? Let's go find her. Come on.
I'm coming with you guys.
Get your goodie. Let's go find my precious daughter. Let's go find my precious daughter. Good morning. How are you? How are you? How are you, girl? You're fine? Who is that? Who is that? Does Tyler come to see you?
Tickle, tickle,
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have been home working all day. I'm in full mommy and work mode. I've gotten so much done, freshen up the house for the day, put Sarah down for a nap, and oh, my girl went down for a nap without crying, without fussing. She went down last night without crying, without fussing, and I think I get her back into routine. So you see, mamas, sometimes you just have to follow your instinct and go with what works for you. And when your instinct is telling you to do something, do it, because you might never know what's going to be the outcome. I follow my instinct by not letting her fully control what she does and go back to her routine and put her in bed and, you know, let her understand that what we're doing is okay. So she's now kind of back into routine, so thank God for that. I can now sleep through the night. She slept through the night. She got on for a nap and she didn't even fuss. However, she's awake right now, and I'm gonna go pick her up. So let's go find her. You're gonna see her little face when I go in the room. I'm gonna let you guys hear her talking to herself. Hello. Hello. Hi. You're counting. I heard you counting. You're counting? What's that? That's elephant. Yes, good job.
Elephant.
Yes, it is an elephant. What color is the elephant? That's the sound of the elephant. What color is it? It's purple. No, that's gray. What color is it? Gray. Good job. What is that? Huh? Okay. What color is it? Oh, I don't know what she said. Did you have a good nap? Say yes, Mama. Good job. Ready? Let's go. Up. Yeah. Take your foot out. Oh, whippy, whippy, doody, 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 doody. Doody, doody. Look at her. My big girl love her milk, huh? My big girl love her some milk. She wake up and she say, Mama, milk? You're drinking milk? Look how mosquito bite you on your face.
No!
She want a hug and a kiss.
But it's flying me on the floor.
Cause she want you to turn around and hug and kiss her tight. Mwah, good job. It's okay. Come. It's okay. Finish. Finish. Look who is home from school. Who is that? Who is that home from school? What do you want? What do you want? You want to watch TV? Alright, go and sit down. Go on. I'll turn it on for you. Oh my days, this girl. Is she gone in her corner? She want to watch TV. Tyler is reading book. And Mama is gonna cook. I just rhyme. You hear that? Tyler is reading book. Mama is going to cook. Hey! Tyler is reading book. Mama is going to cook. Hey! Tyler is reading book. Mama is going to cook. And Sarah eat. And Sarah a look. Yay! Tyler is reading book. Mama is going to cook and Sarah a look. Ah, Mama right, Mama can rap.
Papa I work.
That no match.
Papa I work.
Yes, that much. So it's Tyler is reading book. Mama a go cook. Sarah a look and Papa a walk. We're too funny. Oh my god.
Now can we watch TV?
Yes, you can watch a little bit of TV and then you do your homework and then you eat dinner. What am I gonna cook today, you ask? I'm gonna show you. You guys, this is the biggest parrot fish I've ever seen. The biggest parrot fish I've ever seen. I saw this huge parrot fish at the supermarket that they cut up. So I said, yo, let me grab 2 pieces because it was so big. They just cut it up. So I grabbed these 2 pieces and that's what I'm gonna make for dinner tonight. I'm gonna make it with some pasta for the kids. I think I'm going to brown stew it though. Make it some pasta for the kids and some veggies for Babe and I. So, alright you guys, here's a quick visual on dinner for Babe and I. Our plate looks the same, so yeah. The kids are having pasta with theirs. That's Sarah's and Tyler is eating. Oh, come. Look, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. We don't want no. Yellow teeth. Look. Say night night.
Bye.
See you guys tomorrow. Say tomorrow. Say mwah. Mwah. Say bye bye. See you later. See you later. My girl is sunflower out there because Mama run things around here. Yeah? Give me kiss. Give Mama night night kiss. Mwah, I love you. You guys, am I the only one that love hot tea? If my tea is not burning me, I don't want it. He just give me a cup of tea, and by the time
So you're just telling me that you don't want it.
Huh?
You're just telling me that you don't want it after you finish it in 10 seconds.
Tell her that I don't want it.
That's what you just said on the camera.
I don't know.
Catch on camera and then she say
You're a hot
opposite.
mess,
I'm
not
not a
like
hot
that.
mess. I'm telling you that every time you say some things and then you say no, I didn't say it, and it's just on camera. So when you edit, you're gonna laugh.
He gave me the tea, but it's not as hot as how I would like it to be. So by the time he sit beside me, it was finished, and he was saying, "You finished it already?" It didn't burn me, so I didn't have to slow down. So I just drink it off.
You change your word now.
When it burned me, I slow down and I take my time and enjoy it more. But when it's not so hot, I just zoop. And because it's nice, it just finishes in 2 seconds. And right now, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna put down my cup and take up his own. I'm gonna drink both mine and his, so he'll have to go make a new cup for himself. Why are you scratching? What? Should I say something wrong? You don't want me to drink your tea? Hmm? You're a fool.
Fool. This week started not in a good way, but we gotta do what we gotta do. We just stay strong, stay motivated. We are blessed, and we just have to move forward. Tomorrow gonna be a good day, I believe.
My Jamaicans, are you following the abduction of the little girl's story back home? Literal tear come to my eye when they found the 14-year-old just now. If you guys following the story, you guys know what I'm talking about. But if you don't follow the story, there's some abduction happening in Portland of little girls. Crazy. But hey, I'm happy that they were returned home safe to their family. Y'all keep your girls inside, and your boys too inside, because this world is going crazy. I just picture my sister and my nieces and little cousins in those situations. Sad. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna end today's vlog. My girl is going to bed, no crying. She's back into routine. I must say, the past 2 nights she go down, 2-3 nights she go down and she naps in days, and no more crying, no more baba.
It was a bad moment, but now it was short.
Cause mama stood her grounds, okay? And say, in bed you gonna go. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. What you have to say for yourself? You talk to face. What you have to say for yourself? Huh?
See you
After
guys
you cuss me
tomorrow.
about your tea.
Tomorrow.
Alright, I'm gonna allow you if you drink your tea. I'm not gonna worry, take it.
Go away.
Sorry for you.
Go away.
I feel hot.
Go away.
Anyway, you guys, tomorrow.